Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add phone number on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application icon. Already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings again, and here you can just simply scroll down and down, and in the audience and visibility section tap on profile details, and here you can just simply scroll down. You can see the option contact info. You can now tap on the mobile number, tap on pencil icon, and here you can now tap on manage contact info, and here you can just simply enter a number. Now tap on done. So you can see my number is already added. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.